Is your car's AC acting up? Does it blow warm air, turn on and off randomly, or just not work at all? It might be a sign of a faulty AC pressure switch. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common AC problem, a faulty pressure switch. We'll discuss the 5 symptoms and why it's crucial to address this issue. Number 1. What is an AC pressure switch? An AC pressure switch is a safety device that monitors the refrigerant pressure in an air conditioning AC system. It helps protect the system from damage by preventing the compressor from running when the pressure is too high or too low. Low pressure side. The switch has a sensor that detects the pressure on the low pressure side of the AC system, which is typically near the evaporator. High pressure side. If the refrigerant pressure gets too high, it could cause a dangerous explosion in the system. The pressure switch detects this and shuts off the compressor to prevent an explosion. Number 2. Symptoms of a bad AC pressure switch. A bad AC pressure switch can cause a variety of issues with your air conditioning system, including intermittent air conditioning. The AC system may turn on and off unexpectedly, or it may only work occasionally. Number 3. Bad pressure switch. A problem. Quantify the potential increase in energy consumption due to a faulty switch. Discuss the environmental impact of refrigerant leaks caused by a bad switch. A bad pressure switch can cause a variety of problems, depending on the system it's a part of. Here are some of the most common issues. Loss of water pressure. If the pressure switch fails to signal the pump to turn on, you'll have no water pressure. Air conditioning. If the pressure switch prevents the compressor from starting, your AC won't cool your home. Number 4. Diagnose a bad pressure switch. Visual inspection for damage or loose connections. Multimeter test to check electrical resistance. Professional diagnosis for accurate assessment. Number 5. Replacing a bad pressure switch. Discuss the importance of recharging the AC system after replacing the switch. DIY replacement. Basic steps. Disconnect battery. Access the pressure switch. Disconnect electrical connectors. Install the new switch. Recharge the AC system. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with the qualified mechanic for any car repair or maintenance issues. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.